What's up, y'all? Hope y'all doing well. So as you know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I just got me a new 2024 Silverado High Country 2500 HD. I think they call this Midnight Black Edition. Anyway, it's got the Vader black grille and stuff like that. And this truck is covered with LEDs except for one spot, which is where I started the video at, right back here. And I'll pop a little video up to show you how these look at night. Using that is not LED. It looks kind of silly. But thanks to Boost Auto, I just picked up, these things were on sale at Black Friday, so I had to buy a set. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna trade out the OEM ones for the Boost Autos. And let me open these up, let you take a look at them. Look at the diodes in there. Boost Auto label. These are super simple to change out. They're labeled, so this one's labeled for the right side. And then here is the left side. Good quality material. Check out those diodes in there. Anyway, I'm gonna crawl underneath here. I'm gonna show you how to take the old lights out. This should be a quick process. Let's get started now. All right, so I'm up under here. Let's see if you can find that. It's right in there. I believe it's a 7mm. Screws on the bottom. And the top just kind of wedges out of there. So let's first off, up there on the top, there's a little zip tie. I'm going to cut that to give me a little more room to play with. And then I'll grab my 7mm and get that taken out. Let's see if you can see where I'm at. All right, so this is pretty much loose. I'm gonna crank it down a little bit. Thankful to the extra wire you got. I just take this, you turn it counterclockwise to release. And there you go. All right, grab the Boost Auto light that says R. Take this and plug it into that. All right, let me show you what the difference is here. So you take a good look there, compare it to that light there. So the Boost Auto. I'm going to go ahead and change out the left side, which will look the same. All right, so that was pretty simple, guys. So really it's just a matter of a 7mm and a trim tool, and it's done. It took me about, I don't know, 10 minutes. The hardest part, honestly, if you're ever gonna remove your hitch, now would be the time to get that thing out of your way, because that's been that was really the only issue, is just working around that thing. But really simple install. I'd say anybody could do it. They look even way cleaner, even with the lights on. Let's see if I can get the lights to turn on real quick. Let's see.
All we need is just a little patience.
So that looks way cleaner. Look at that. Now you have a nice clean white light that matches the rest. Check this out. This truck's covered with LEDs, and then Chevy decides to put these lame old lights in. No biggie, because Boost Auto will help me with that.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away.
So it was a super easy install. Took me, I don't know what, 10 minutes or so. Really, if you decide to take your hitch off for some reason at all, like mine needs kind of repainted, that'd be the time to do it, because that'd make the job way easier. But with that being said, it's a simple process anyway. It's just a matter of just wedging up there, get that 7mm out, and then you know, changing out the bulb or whatever. But anyway, if you have any questions or anything, drop a comment down below. If this video is helpful, I would appreciate it, as this will help it show to other viewers, and trying to grow that channel. And anyway, if you have any other questions that doesn't even relate to this, hit me up on social media at F150_boss. I'm on Instagram and TikTok And anyway, I want you guys to have an awesome day. If you're having a build, I wish you all the best with it. And take care.
Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the